I see them, oh, he, oh. See them, oh, see them, oh, oh, soon shall I see them, the mist-covered mountains of home. There shall I visit the place of my birth, and they'll give me a welcome, the warmest on earth, all so loving and kind, full of music and mirth, in the sweet-sounding language of home. Oh, he, mina morviana, oh, he, mina corviana, oh, he, mina corchen, he, mina scoral fochio. There I'll converse with the hard-headed father, and there I shall jest with the kind-hearted mither. Oh, licht is my heart as I turn my steps thither, the ever dear precincts o' home. Oh, soon shall I see them, oh, he, oh. See them, oh, see them, oh, oh, soon shall I see them, the mist-covered mountains of home. Another one for the pipers. This is well loved by regimental pipe bands. In fact, it was played at the funeral of the Queen Mother. It came to mind because this is the anniversary of the year of making the Scottish film Local Hero. And this featured in this track and was brought to the world by Mark Knopfler and Dire Straits, who did the soundtrack for that. The Gaelic version, He Mina Morviana, is by John Cameron, and the famous English translation, The Mist-Covered Mountains of Home, is by Malcolm Macfarlane. I was taught the Gaelic version, and apologies to them, by the children of Goodleyburn Primary School in Perth, whom I hope are about to sing in their first mod in Perth this year.